Basketball players of all levels need shoes that fit perfectly. Shoes that are too small can cause blisters and other problems, while shoes that are too large can be a tripping hazard. The right size also ensures that the player has maximum control of the basketball. There are several ways that basketball players can find the right shoe size. The most accurate way is to measure the player's foot. This can be done by tracing the outline of the foot on a piece of paper and then using a ruler or tape measure to determine the length and width of the foot. Once the length and width have been determined, the player can compare this to the size chart on a shoe box and select the size that is closest to their foot measurements. Some players also prefer to use the try-on method. This involves going to a store and trying on several pairs of shoes until the player finds one that fits correctly. It is important to try on several different brands of shoes and sizes to ensure that the player gets the best fit. In addition to the two methods mentioned above, some basketball players use the individual shoe size guide. This is a chart that lists the foot length and width measurements for each shoe size. This allows the player to find the correct size for their foot by comparing the measurements to the chart. Finally, there are several online tools available that can help basketball players determine their shoe size. These tools use the same measurements as the individual shoe size guide, but they are more accurate and easier to use. No matter which method is used to find the right shoe size, it is important for basketball players to be mindful of their shoe size and make sure they have the right fit. This will help them to perform their best on the court and avoid injury.